Hi, my name is Jen Loving, and I'm a caregiver advocate for the bleeding disorders community. And today I would like to talk to you about advocacy. If this is your first fly-in, welcome. Take a deep breath. I know it's overwhelming, and I promise it'll be okay. The biggest piece of advice I can give to you is just to be genuine and tell your story. You won't believe how impactful just your story is. I can tell you from experience 2 times where I've seen it be impactful. One, we were meeting with our senator. My guy was a little guy sitting in a stroller. We had been meeting with all kinds of people, talking insurance, bleeding disorders. He was just done. And as I was sitting there talking to our senator, he just blurts out, "I'm ready to go." And of course, I'm mortified. The senator's laughing. I'm kind of chuckling. And then we wrap up our conversation. And as we're leaving, I thought, oh no, I have totally messed this up. But in hindsight, we didn't. What we did was we told our story. We had a funny moment, and that helped the senator remember us every year we came up until he retired. So that was great. The second story is our state representative. We were having some step therapy issues with our insurance a couple years ago. And so we happened to be meeting with our state representative, and I was able to share what our problems were and why it was impactful to the bleeding disorder community. Well, fortunately, our step therapy issue was resolved, and fast forward several months, we happened to see our representative out in public at an awards ceremony. We get to chatting, and he specifically says, "Hey, did you get your son's bleeding disorder step therapy issue taken care of?" And I said, "Yes, we did." And as we walked away, I thought, we made a difference. He remembered. He wasn't prompted. We were out in public. He didn't have notes. He just remembered that our story was that impactful to him that he was able to follow up with me on the fly, which was awesome. So my biggest piece of advice for you is just to tell your story and be completely genuine. Also, if you've got some vials of your used medicine or explanation of benefits, that would be a good visual for them to see. That's super impactful as well. So it'll be good. I promise you, no one knows your story better than you. So practice it, you know it, share it, and it'll be fine. Good luck on your advocacy days.